we, buddy?
Oh, okay.
This is a load of barnacles.
Alright, if you made it this far in the video, I just want to thank you and just let you know that I appreciate you guys. Yeah, as you can see, the valve cover gasket was cooked on this car, leaking oil into every single spark plug tube. But on top of that, I know y'all saw the milkshake under the valve cover gasket, so we know what that means. The only reason I went on and finished going through the whole process is because I wanted to just kind of, in a way, confirm that that was the issue. We are definitely leaking coolant into cylinders 2 and 3, which is why I'm still having a misfire on 2 and 3. So I do have a head gasket ordered, and we're gonna get this head gasket replaced. Hopefully the head isn't warped. I really hope it's not, but I guess we'll find out because I don't have the funds for a machine shop. So we're just gonna hope and pray that the heads aren't warped. Yeah, but like I said before, if you made it this far, thank you for the support. It really means a lot to me. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them in the comment section. Do not hesitate to ask. Or if you feel I'm not doing something right, let me know. I'm only human. I make mistakes. But with all that being said, thanks again. I'm going to go start on these brake pads and rotors. Go ahead and knock them out. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to record it. I'm just going to knock them out real quick. And wait for the head gasket to get here so I can get this head gasket installed. Alright, peace.